Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen, and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make a loaded potato soup, just like your loaded baked potato, guys. It is delicious, amazingly creamy, comforting. Guys, the weather is changing. Perfect time of the year for this soup. And guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of made from scratch dishes, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, tap the bell so you'll always get my videos when I upload them, because I have a whole channel full of dishes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, you all read the title and saw the thumbnail. Let's get into this. We have some basic ingredients for our loaded potato soup. These are just Yukon Gold potatoes that I have peeled and diced. We've got some bacon here. We've got our chicken stock, milk, onions, butter, and a little sour cream. Now we've got a few more ingredients that'll go into this, but we'll get to those shortly. Let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go in with our bacon. You just want to cook the bacon until it's nice and crispy, guys. Nice and crispy. See down there? Okay. Rendered all the fat off of our bacon, so we're just going to scoop it out of there. Look guys, it's nice and crispy, nice and crispy. Get all of this out of here. Now you could have cooked your bacon separately in the oven or just separately in a skillet, but I like to cook mine all, make it a one-pot meal. Plus the flavors of the bacon down in there, it's going to get mixed in with everything else. Now I'm going to drain my oil from my bacon out of this pot. You can use it, but I find that it makes the soup just a little bit more bacony than I would like. Want to get that great potato flavor out of there. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our butter. And that's about a half a stick of butter, guys. It may seem like a lot, but we're going to saute our onions in this butter as well as make our roux. Okay guys, so our onions are looking really good. Look at that guys, they are looking good. So to this, I'm going to add flour. This is about 1/4 of a cup of flour. You're going to add this because the potatoes will thicken it up, but you need to make a roux so you can get that rich, creamy, just delicious tasting soup. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my chicken stock. Set that aside. And to the chicken stock, guys, I'm going to add milk, some cold milk. This is going to make it creamy and rich, as well as some heavy cream. Okay. Get that stirred up. Now to this, we're going to also add our potatoes, guys. Now is the time to add the potatoes in. And you just want to simmer this for about, 10 15 minutes or so. You want your potatoes to still have a bite, like fork tender, but you want them to be soft enough. So that's gonna simmer. We're gonna actually bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to reduce it. You don't want it to boil. You just wanna bring it up till you see a few bubbles. Then reduce it, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so we have been simmering away for about 15 minutes here, and it looks like they are nice and tender. So now, guys, we're gonna go in with our sour cream. Now, you don't have to put the sour cream in there. You can just leave it and put it on top, but to me, it adds a richness that can't be beat. Oh my goodness, so rich, so flavorful. Yeah, so we're just gonna stir this up a little bit. Then we're going to add in our bacon pieces. Yes, all of them that I didn't eat at least. And I do have a few reserved for the topping. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'm going to also add in my green onions. Guys, you're talking about some amazing flavors going into this bowl. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Now, before we go in with our cheese, I'm going to season it up just a little bit more because I tasted it. It needs just a pinch more of salt, not much because we are adding cheese to it. And I'm going to go in with a little black pepper. Okay. Stir that all up really good. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now, guys, we're going to go in with our cheese. Then we're going to cook it for about, let it continue to simmer for about 5 more minutes, just until all of your cheese is melted. And this is about 1.5 cups of cheese, shredded cheddar, sharp cheese, guys. You want that sharp cheese in there. Yes, okay. So you just want to stir this up. Then we're going to let it simmer, and we'll be back. Time for our taste test at that point, guys. Okay, guys, we are all done. I'm going to ladle this up right quick. All right, guys, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes, and it smells so good. Smells so good. Awesome. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this is amazing. We are getting ready to taste. Yum. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We want to get a little bit of everything. Look at the cheese, guys. Look at the cheese dripping. Look at the cheese. Yes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is amazing. I just want to say thank you for coming and get out of here and go eat. Oh my goodness. Guys, you've got to try this. You haven't had anything until you've had this, guys. Guys, I thank each and every one of you all for coming and hanging out with me today. You have got to try this. Leave me some comments and tell me what you put on top of your loaded potato soup. Oh my goodness, guys, share this out. This is warming. It's rich. It's got bold flavors. Everything's better with bacon, and you can taste the bacon. Guys, don't forget to check me out over on cookingwithchefandmore.com. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. Guys that are subscribed, thank you so much for your awesome support. Don't forget to tap the bell. Come on, guys, tap the bell so you'll always know when I upload a video and you can be there to watch, learn, and cook. Guys, give me a thumbs up and again, share me out. Thank you all so much again for coming and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm.